Ladies and gents, today I have been playing around with an app called Tone Generator Ultra, and I managed to make a European style fire alarm on it. Now the hertz I have set is with between 800 and 950 hertz, and it's set to linear, so it'll go from one tone to another back and forth, and I got a really good result. Now, you would often hear this in the Roshni Sounder at schools and at colleges and other residency type places. And I'm going to let it off for a few seconds. So, I'm going to turn it up as loud as it can go. Make it sound like a fire alarm. Okay.